These are really important organelles, which you might have heard referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. That's because there's a really important process that goes there called respiration. Respiration is how we get our energy from the glucose that we have in our food. So they're very important for energy, really, energy processing. They've got a double membrane. So again, we're talking about membranes, and that inner membrane is really highly folded, and that increases the surface area. And there's proteins attached to that, and they've got a very important role, which we learn about in a later unit. So I won't go into too much detail about them now. But they're quite significant in that they have their own DNA. So they actually tell us a bit of information about our evolution as well. That's not important in this unit. This is what they look like. You can see these mitochondria in the cell here. So we tend to say they're sort of, some people say they're sausage shape, but to me that implies long and thin. They're just not, they're a bit more rugby ball shaped than sausage shaped. But obviously if you took a cross section, so a rugby ball would be in that sort of shape, but if you turned it round and took a cross section, chopped it in half the other way, it's just going to look like a circle. So on a microscope, they might look circular, or they might look a bit like a squished circle.